Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting little package here. This is from Veedabella. This is the practice hand that Veenailedit just came out with. So yeah, as soon as she put them on the website, I ordered. I was number 13, and she actually did a live that day, and she was packing up orders, and so I actually got to see her pack my order, so that was really cool. So yeah, I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and I'll be right back. Alright, so we just get this little card here. Thank you for your purchase. And then it has her social media here. This is for the website. And then this tells you the prep and care of how to treat your practice hand. So that's cool. And this is just the shipping order. Okay, so I did get a practice hand, and then I also got a finger. So the practice hand, or the practice finger, I got the shade True Tone. Alright, so yeah, that's super cool. So yeah, it's just the finger. Oh, I like the nail bed part there. Very cool, love it. Alright, so yeah, it comes in this really pretty black box here. Alright, so on the box here it just says, for detailed instructional videos, please visit us at www.veedabella.com. And then here it is, so pretty. Excited, oops. Alright, let me see. So I did get the kit. And the kit is so that you're able to put the tips on. I guess she has like a primer and something else. Alright, so there was another finger in there. I don't know if it comes with the kit or not. Okay, I just wanted to check. Yeah, I didn't know that the when you buy the kit, it comes with a practice finger. I didn't even realize that. I thought the kit was just like the primer and all that, but that's actually fine because I actually wanted to get a few. I don't have any practice fingers, and I did want to get different skin tones, so that's cool. So, yeah, I didn't know that, but well, that's fine with me because I actually, wanted them anyway, so that's cool. So yeah, you do get the practice finger when you order the kit, so I think that's awesome. And then I think this is probably the primer. Okay, practice hand primer, yeah. And then let's see what this is. Oh, you get little rings. Oh, how cool. Okay, yeah, so they give you some rings too for it. That one's cute. And then you get silver and gold. That one has little diamonds on it. Super pretty. Alright, that's cool. Alright, so we get full cover coffin tips. Cool, to put in the practice hand. And you get 0 to 9. And then this is like the little, I think this is the double-sided tape for that, for the hand. Yeah, she has a video on how to prep the hand and put the tips in and stuff. And so let's see, this is a beautiful bag. It's like a velvet. And it says Veeda Bella. Oh, how pretty. Oh, how cool. So yeah, this is the posable hand. My other hand that I have, the red iguana, it's not posable. So I did want to get a posable one so I can, you know, move the fingers. But yeah, this is cool. Oh, I love it. Really cool. Yeah, I like the nail beds. Just has a little bit of black from the little cover. But yeah, it's super pretty. Can't wait to start using it. So yeah, I think that's great. I'm not sure if it's, I know they sold out really quick. But she said if you sign up for the emails, then they'll send you an email when they go back in stock. So I think they were gonna do like the most popular shades that people were wanting. So yeah, this is so super cool. I just wanted to do this quick little unboxing here of this. But yeah, it's beautiful. I love it. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to be using this very soon, so stay tuned. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.